Britain has launched a new mix-and-match vaccine trial after fears of a global shortage of supply and threats of jab exports being blocked from the EU. The study, which expects to have initial results by the summer, will initially look at the impact of mixing doses of the Oxford University, AstraZeneca and Pfizer-BioNTech vaccines. It aims to understand if immunization remains as effective, or is even improved, by mixing jabs. England's Deputy Chief Medical Officer Professor Jonathan Van Tam said the ability to mix vaccines would provide greater flexibility in future amid a scramble for doses. He said, given the inevitable challenges of immunizing large numbers of the population against COVID-19 and potential global supply constraints, there are definite advantages to having data that could support a more flexible immunization program, if needed and if approved by the medicines regulator. It is also even possible that by combining vaccines, the immune response could be enhanced, giving even higher antibody levels that last longer, unless this is evaluated in a clinical trial. We just won't know. It comes after a tussle for vaccine supply escalated last week, with the EU threatening to ban the export of all jabs. After AstraZeneca warned the bloc it would be unable to deliver as many doses as previously promised in the coming months, Brussels took retaliatory action. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen ordered the introduction of export licenses for all vaccines. The move allowed the EU to see where jabs were being sent to and block their delivery if necessary. Brussels' decision sparked alarm. There could be a shortage of Pfizer jabs, which are manufactured in Belgium, being delivered to the UK. There were fears the most vulnerable to coronavirus, who have already received a first dose of the Pfizer jab, might be unable to get a second injection of the same vaccine. Tensions eased slightly when the EU was forced into a humiliating climbdown last Friday night after having announced plans to introduce a hard border on the island of Ireland for the purpose of implementing the export ban.